This is all about ecology, ecology, ecology. That's the three most important words. Ecology, ecology, ecology. That's everything natural on the planet. Without that, we're finished. I'll leave you with that one. But this is something, we're going to do some songs like we usually don't do. Let's see what happens. All we may need is a place in the country where we can plant seeds, watch nature grow. Trees are a growing, bulbs are a cutting, a time to reap and a time to sow. All we may need is to breathe a little bit better. Breathe the air, what does us some good. Pick potatoes, carrots, groceries. Enjoy the taste of unpoisoned food. Is this such a lot to ask? Are we all treading on somebody else's task? We ask, for all we may need is some love and affection, as the flowers need the sun and the rain. We have so much to give by nature, authority lies like cotton on the brain. Well, is this such a lot to ask? Are we treading on somebody else's path? We are. Gosh, all we may need is some love and affection, as the flowers need the sun and the rain. We've got so much to give by nature, authority lies like cotton on the Oh gosh. You know it's true, ecology we're nowhere. Keep it simple. My heart beat, and then I know that I am me. The day that I do not feel this, why I am not quite free. Well, it is rather hard to feel this with all these thoughts are coming in some kind of a queue. Oh, everything in a rush. Oh dear, these things I make me do. I have to go inside, listen to the air. Breathing in the life force, and the poison got to blow it away, because it's natural that keeps us alive. And authority, it does not always pay. You see, well, the profit, we could live like here, because killers, dictators, bullies, oh, that's sad. Come on, show the world that we are beautiful. Show the world we're very, very glad we've got to go inside, listen to the air. We'll find well, I'm breathing in the life force, and I've done that. I'll do that last verse. Here we go. So it goes, let us be having a really good time, because all those sad times, they're no fun, because with all the illusion, there's a lot of confusion, and that's not good for everyone. That's if we go for less without distress. There's a profit in not taking too much. Give the body a chance to sing, move down. to go inside.
You're a special guest, you deserve no less. May the truth of your word be like music to be heard. May you soar like a bird, your soul forever stirred. May the fruit of your labor have such a sweet flavor. May love be your savior. It'll always amaze you. And may you be possessed by a divine quest. May you do your very best. Just trust in all the rest. Just trust in all the rest. Just trust in all the rest. Come on, Johnny, play the squeeze box.
I want to tell you that Nico's a today poet. We've read all the other poems, but this man tells it as it is.
Yeah.
And he's got the power.
Yeah.
And if you see him, catch him on a film so that we can get his poems going around the world. I don't know if you read his book, but well worth getting. Wow. Here we go, last time. We've got to... Okay. Yeah, good. Although I speak in tongue of man and... Hey, no. Love one another. That's the message to feel. It is only true facts that show everything real. Keep this planet clean. Live this wondrous life. Why hide in dreams? Don't hide in dreams. Gotta love ourselves and this wondrous planet Earth. For all of us, this is a destiny of true worth. Forget faith and trust, because love, it is the greatest beauty of all the beauties and beauties. Love, it's the greater of everything. Love, it's the greater of everything. It's the only thing that's gonna work. It goes, love. Can anybody sing one word? Love.
Everybody!
One word, all nations. Love. Love. Here it comes, it's getting stronger. Love. Anybody singing out there? Let's do it together. Let's go. Love. Oh, beautiful, beautiful love. Can you hear us, universe? Oh, all nationalities, all races, all religions, no fighting anymore, but singing about love. Come on, give us a try, give it a try. We're going to get up and dance, we're going to get up and sing. We got to jump to the left and move it to the right. We're going to keep on dancing. It's gonna make us feel alright. We sing, sing, sing like the birdies do. Swing, swing, swing. That's me and you. Wow, let's share it together. Singing. One singing's great. All of us singing. The blood runs, the oxygen, there it goes. Love. We're going to get up and dance. We're going to get up and sing. It really doesn't matter just so long as we swing. We're going to jump to the left and move it to the right. We're going to keep on singing. It will make us feel alright. Sing, sing, sing like the birdies do. Swing, swing, swing. That's in all of you. Dance. Okay, last time. Thank you, Kathy. So happy. Oh, last time, here we go. Love. Can you hear it, universe? Love. Can you hear it, planet Earth? Love. Big finish. Love. Big finish. Love. Come on, out there, out to the universe. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
I bet you weren't expecting that.
I would like Rosie. Marilyn Rosie.
John! Get lost! That was a joke.
Thank you.
I bet you weren't expecting that.